Hi, welcome to Miss Sharon's Story Time, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. Today we're going to read Mama Cat Has Three Kittens. This is by Denise Fleming and it's from Henry Holt. And I bet a lot of you have kittens and enjoy them. I have two. They're named Squirt and Miss Kitty. Okay, let's see what happens. Mama Cat has three kittens, Fluffy, Skinny, and Boris. When Mama Cat washes her paws, Fluffy and Skinny wash their paws. Boris naps. When Mama Cat walks the stone wall, Fluffy and Skinny walk the stone wall, and Boris naps. When Mama Cat sharpens her claws, Fluffy and Skinny sharpen their claws. Boris naps. When Mama Cat chases leaves, Fluffy and Skinny chase leaves, and Boris naps. When Mama Cat digs in the sand, Fluffy and Skinny dig in the sand, and Boris naps. When Mama Cat curls up to nap, Fluffy and Skinny curl up to nap. Look how cute they are together. What do you think Boris does? Boris stretches and yawns, washes his paws, and pounces on Fluffy, Skinny, and Mama Cat. And then Boris naps. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that story. And if you stop by the library, I'd like to show you what's in the activity packet that you picked up. First of all, you color and cut out and assemble this cat. It's so cute. It's called a rainbow cat. Okay. You'll also find a stand-up and stickers, and you can make any kind of other pictures on here that you like. Maybe you and a cat, and you see my little black cat in the middle there. Okay. Also, you'll find this. It's a C for cat coloring sheet. And then this just tells you about my story time and when you can find it. Okay. The next time we'll be doing Where's My Teddy, which is another really cute story. And I hope you enjoyed all this and have a good day. And I'll see you. Keep reading. Bye-bye.